Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is a Rolex certified pre-owned Oyster Perpetual Datejust Turn-O-Graph. The sportiest Datejust, this is reference 116261, and the final generation of the Turn-O-Graph, at least to date. These were last on the market between about 2010 and 2011. The one in my hand is an F serial number, so 2003 manufacture. A combination of 904L stainless steel and Ever Rose red gold. More on that in a moment. Let's talk dimensions. It's a classic 36mm diameter Datejust. 11.8 millimeters thick, lug-to-lug is 44 millimeters. If we add the end links of the oyster style bracelet, total distance across the wrist is 45.5 millimeters, and then there's a 20 millimeter spacing between the lugs. Peel back my glove a little bit, get this under the lens, see how it fits. It's a good looking watch and it's a great fit. It's a universal fit really for men and for women. You can see on a 16 centimeter circumference wrist, it is by no means too small, but you can also envision that if your wrist were as small as 13.5 centimeters circumference, it would wear beautifully. It will slide easily under a cuff, thin with a sloped bezel, no problem there. There's your over-the-top shot. And then we'll take a quick look at some of the hardware. I mentioned 904L steel and Ever Rose. 904L steel is a high nickel content stainless steel that will not corrode even in the presence of unrinsed sweat or sea salt, so it's more resilient. Ever Rose red gold is something Rolex first launched in 2005. It's a high copper content red gold that also has a high percentage of platinum as a secondary that prevents it from fading to merely pink or rosy. So it is Ever Rosy, but the color is red. Ever Rose red gold. Taking a look at the bracelet now, you can see we have polished outer flanks, satin shoulders, polished straight through center. We have removable links fixed in place using screws. We've got a snap-in, snap-out 5mm tool-free easy link, quick adjustment built into the clasp, and then further inside the clasp, taking a look, you can see there are pairs of divots drilled into the clasp that allow you to change the anchoring point by moving the spring bar. Now this clasp features Rolex coronet on the outside of this little lift lock system. See how this is articulated? That little bar interacts with this hook, snaps together. Now it's not friction fit. You do have to lift and unlock. So you have a degree of security there. Screw down crown, it's a twin lock in gold, you know, because there are two symmetrical dots. Screwed in case back, 100-meter water resistance. The original Turn-O-Graph was a fascinating piece intended for travelers, technicians, pilots. The bidirectional rotating bezel in a series production watch marked the beginning of the era of modern Rolex sports watches, and many would follow with rotating bezels. And of course, this watch right here featuring a bidirectional bezel, so not a dive bezel, but a useful timing reference. This model often nicknamed the Thunderbird, because the Air Force Thunderbirds, which is like the Air Force version of the Blue Angels, they would have used these watches back in the 1950s to time their maneuvers. So this is very much a pilot's watch in addition to its other credentials. Now the timepiece features lacquer calibration on the bezel, so I want to give you a good look at this. You can see it's all intact, including the index. We've got a Cyclops eye magnifier. This is a truly white dial, not silver white, but white, almost a chalk white. And it's not a roulette date because both the evens and the odds are red. We've got a red varnished seconds hand, and then we've got rose gold logo, hands, and applique indices. And if you look, you can see they're actually bifurcated with both satin and polish for higher contrast. Let's do a quick lume shot, although not immediately visible in the light. There are luminescent aggregations of paint outboard of those indices inside. We have Rolex manufactured caliber 3135, bidirectional automatic winding. It's the same movement that was in the Submariner at the time. It's tough with a free sprung balance and a full balance bridge. And 31 joule, 4 hertz movement with a 48-hour power reserve, quick set date, hacking seconds, overcoil hairspring shaped by hand, so it'll keep consistent time in any physical orientation. Gravity is going to have less effect on an overcoil. COSC certified Swiss chronometer movement adjusted in 5 positions. This watch is a lot of fun, versatile, and uncommon. If you want a Rolex with all the quality that entails, but you want one that no one else has, this is a great way to do it. Reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex certified standard, and any parts invested Rolex factory original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a certified pre-owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company. The certified pre-owned program, care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.